All right, let's talk a bit about Facebook monetization issue and how you can fix those. And again, if you are new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna walk you through how to find out uh, how much you have done on the monetization requirement on Facebook. If you do not know how to get there, I'm here to show you. I talk a lot on how you can be accepted on Facebook, monetization. So here is one thing that I want to share with you. You got to change the location of your Facebook page, okay? Because if you are in a country which is not eligible for monetization, we mean that you will not be accepted, or your Facebook page can never be monetized. So there are countries which are already being accepted by the Facebook, and you gotta check them out. So here's what we can do. Okay, you got to change the location. Your location, you have to change it. Okay, and there's many ways that you can use to change your location by going to edit. This is where you can be able to change. You go to edit. I think there is something here. Edit your bio. Okay, leave page. Uh, okay, okay, here, let me click that. So this is where you can be able to change your location, because location is very important. You need the country. Okay, you can simply click any of this. Let me simply click that, and then within here you can change your locations. Okay, let me go direct into this. I will simply click that. Let me move this thing aside here. Okay, there's something here. So this is the address. You got to change the address. Okay, like mine, I put it as Australia, and then Melbourne. You can see that. All right, so address is Australia, like that. Of course, there are other things that you can do, anything that you can put there. So it is very important, including the postal code and everything. You can change that because it could not be any random, because even if you put something which is not there, I mean which is not yours, the Facebook will also find it out. So you better change the location of your of the area that you want where Facebook can be able to know that you are eligible to monetize your Facebook. So this is one thing. Okay, so the next move is that you gotta go direct into your Facebook page. We have this thing. You go direct home, and then you click professional dashboard. Okay, or professional tools. Down here you go direct into this thing called Meta Business Suite. So you can click that. This way you will find more about the importance of monetization. You will also be able to see what is missing on your Facebook. So you can go direct into Facebook monetization. Let me simply imagine that you have many pages, so you can see this arrow, right? So all you gotta do, you can click that, and the number of the page that here will be dropped down, so that you can select the one that you need. But mine is there. What I'm going to do right now, simply click monetization. So under monetization, there's something that you have to do here. Let me do this. Okay. Okay, here you can see there are two options right here. We have view page eligibility and see details, all these things. The details are where you can find out whether you violated anything or not. Like you may be at risk for monetization restriction. See our pattern monetization policies for more detail. You can read all this policy detail, and you can also request if you made a mistake. But now it say my channel has no recent monetization violation. It means that I do not have any problem there. You can see for yourself. Because whenever there is a problem there, the Facebook will tell you already. It will put it there. So, but for now, I do not have any issue. So I will simply go direct into monetization again, and goes direct into view page eligibility. So I click it. All you gotta do, you can see that it's telling me that you are not eligible. So I will simply go direct into Instrument and see what is missing there. So if we click this, let's see. You can see that it is 49%, which means that this page need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers. Discover new way to grow your audience. 10,000 followers. Without 10,000 followers, I cannot be accepted. And again, eligible minute view, I have only 9% here, and it said here in the last 60 days you needed a total of 600,000 on demand live and previously live minutes view, including replayed minute but not including boosted, cross posted, or pay watch. Like if you get organic views, Facebook will count those watch hours as real. But if you boost your Facebook video, we mean that whatever view that you got will be counted as 0, so they will not be counted on the minute view or on the watch hour. So you got to be careful there. So this is one. And again, under the in-stream ad for live, they also the same requirements. You need also to fulfill 10,000 followers. Actually not 2, but the same 10,000 followers, which is 49% now for me. I need to get 51% so that I can reach 100%. We mean that I got to reach 10,000 followers in order for Facebook to take this. And again, also the same things again, I need 600,000 on demand live and previous live minutes viewed, including replay minute, but not including boosted. Boosted means paying a video in order for the people to watch it. So that's it. And many more. Whenever you complete all these things, we mean that everything will be in place. So the next move is to monetize. So all you gotta do is that follow all the requirements and then get to work. So that's it. You have any question, please drop it below. What I would like to say is that keep on working. And if you are new to my channel, please try to subscribe to my channel to support me. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye bye.